Welcome to my channel. I am going to show how to fix Roblox error. Press Windows and R keys. Type app data and click OK. Click local folder. And delete Roblox folder. Close window. Press Windows and R keys. Type %10%. Click OK. Delete Roblox folder. Close window. Click search bar and type Roblox. Click uninstall. Uninstall Roblox. Close window. Open your internet browser. Click Menu. Open Settings. Click Privacy and Security. Click Third-party cookies. See all site data and permissions. Type Roblox. Clear Roblox data. Close window. You can install Roblox on your computer again. If that didn't work, click search bar and type Store. Open Microsoft Store. Type Roblox. Click Get. Wait. Play Roblox. If that didn't work, right-click Network. Open Network and Internet Settings. Click Proxy. Click Setup. Turn off proxy server and save. If that didn't work, click search bar and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and run as administrator. Type the following I mentioned commands one by one. ipconfig flush DNS. ipconfig release. ipconfig renew. Net sh winsock reset. Net sh and IP reset. Net SH interface IPv4 reset. Net SH interface IPv6 reset. Net SH interface TCP reset. Close window. And restart your PC. If that didn't work, click search bar and type update. Click check for updates. Click check for updates. Wait. After completed, close window. Right-click Network. Open Network and Internet settings. Click Advanced Network Settings. Click Network Reset. Reset now. Click Yes. Click Close. And restart your PC. If that didn't work, right-click Network. Open Network and Internet settings. Click Advanced Network Settings. Click More Network Adapter Options. Right-click your network and click Properties. Click Internet Protocol version 4 and click Properties. Click Use the following DNS server addresses. Type 8.8.8.8. Type 8.8.4.4. Click OK. Click Close. Close Windows. And restart PC. Problem solved. Like and subscribe.